Let's take a trip around the layout with train number 106, the daily passenger to Dovertown. Number 106 is powered by an ancient F&SM mogul. It's a favorite of the road's president. Here in West Manchester, the tracks pass industrial buildings, the Calvary Paint Company, and the Hagenbeck Wallace tobacco firm. The Edelstein Corporation in the back is one of the largest buildings in Manchester. The scratch-built J.M. Humbry Corporation has over 500 window castings. The plate girders in the foreground support the street ramp up to Manchester Central Station. The station is a freelance design built with individual plaster stones. After a brief passenger stop, our train passes along the 4-track main. Here the buildings take on a well-worn look. You know this is an industrial area on the wrong side of the station. Number 106 slips into a tunnel under a part of the city that needs gentrification, or at least some help from the WPA. The view changes as we emerge from the darkness. The tunnel scene is based on a 1910 photo of East Boston. A viaduct in the foreground is modeled after one on John Allen's Gory and Defeated. The water in Manchester Harbor is not safe for drinking or swimming. The Public Health Service is studying the matter while people in industry ignore the warnings. In the background is the street track that serves the harbor's coal loader. South Manchester Station serves this end of the city.